Home to myriad waterways and beautiful coastlines, Maryland is a great state to head to for your summer vacation. And if the sea is calling, the lovely resort town of Ocean City should be your first port of call. There are loads of fun things to do in Ocean City, Maryland, from family-friendly theme parks to beaches, boardwalks, and brewpubs. Tucked between the bay of the Isle of Wight and the Atlantic Ocean, this sunny seaside city has something for everyone. So, here is the list of 10 best things to do in Ocean City, Maryland. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming travel videos. Here we go. Number 1. Ocean City Boardwalk. The Ocean City Boardwalk is one of Maryland's most popular tourist attractions. It stretches for approximately 3 miles along the Atlantic Ocean shoreline and is home to a variety of shops, restaurants, arcades, and amusement rides. Most Ocean City activities take place along the boardwalk and coastal highway. The boardwalk has countless restaurants and food stalls to grab a bite. Don't miss out on trying Thrasher's French fries, an iconic spot for buying boardwalk-style French fries and other snacks. For guests with a sweet tooth, the Candy Kitchen is a popular spot for buying saltwater taffy and other sweets. Number 2. Ocean City Golf Club. Next, those wondering about things to do in Ocean City, Maryland for adults in particular will relish this number. Tourists with a preference for being on a golf course as opposed to the beach have several possibilities. 17 championship golf courses, including ones by Di and Jack Nicklaus, are really found in Ocean City. The 18-hole Eagles Landing course, which has wonderful views of Assateague Island National Seashore and Sunapukent Bay, is one of the most well-known in the area. The course's visitors gush about how beautiful it is and how it exceeds their expectations. Number 3. Northside Park. A firm favorite with families, the gorgeous green Northside Park is home to plenty of playgrounds, picnic areas, and playing fields. Nestled amidst OC's northern neighborhoods, it also has 2 piers and paths to walk, run, or cycle along. As well as being set around a large fishing lagoon, it lies beside the reflective waters of Assateague Bay. At its multi-sports arena, both locals and visitors can play softball, baseball, and soccer or rent paddleboards and kayaks to explore the waterways. On top of all its awesome activities, the picturesque park hosts over 100 concerts, community events, and festivals during the year. A particular highlight is its magical Winterfest of Lights show around Christmas time when everything is decked in twinkling fairy lights. Number 4. Jolly Roger Amusement Park. Wondering what to do in Ocean City, Maryland for families? People with kids and adults who are kids at heart, visiting Ocean City will enjoy heading to the famous Jolly Roger Amusement Park, known for its various exciting rides, games, and other fun attractions. In fact, Jolly Roger consists of several amusement parks rolled into one, such as Splash Mountain, Ocean City's biggest water park, SeaWorld, known for its heart-pumping zip lines, go-karts, and racetracks, Jolly Roger at 30th Street, Jolly Roger at the Pier, and many others. Visitors to Jolly Roger Amusement Park will have fun hurling themselves through the sky on winding half-pipes and whizzing roller coasters, indulging in savory snacks, sweet treats, amazing fair foods, and more. Number 5. Ocean City Life-Saving Station Museum. The Ocean City Life-Saving Station Museum offers a unique glimpse into the captivating history of the area's maritime culture. This fascinating museum housed in a historic life-saving station allows visitors to journey back in time to when shipwrecks were frequent and brave crews launched daring rescues from the beach. Through intriguing exhibits and hands-on beach and boat demonstrations, the museum recounts the days of surfmen manning the station, tales of rescues and disasters, evolutions in life-saving techniques, and the U.S. life-saving services merge into the Coast Guard. Visitors gain an appreciation for Ocean City's past life-saving heroes and the dangers early beachgoers faced. It's an inspirational and eye-opening look into the coastal way of life. Number 6. Fagus Island. Ocean City might be a tourist destination, but you don't have to wander around wearing fanny packs and licking at snow cones. You can have a classier experience when you visit a fine dining establishment like Fagus Island. The venue is breathtaking. There are large, open-air bars and patios that overlook the bay and allow you to feel the breeze and listen to the gulls while you eat. The menu is similarly fancy, filled with things like steaks, crab cakes, prime rib, and lobster tails. The dining experience is also top-notch. From chilled wine buckets to soft nighttime fairy lights, you'll feel like you've wandered into a romantic daydream. Get a little culture at Fagus Island. It's one of the elite things to do in Ocean City when you feel like pampering yourself with a luxury vacation experience, and only your waistline will protest the treatment. Number 7. Assateague Island National Seashore. If you're after pristine landscapes, scenery, and nature, then the Assateague Island National Seashore is definitely the place to go. Just 15 minutes drive from downtown, you can find yourself on the untouched and uninhabited Barrier Island. It's so long it actually stretches down into Virginia. Renowned for its intact ecosystem, the 37-mile-long isle encompasses lush woodlands, marshes, and miles of absolutely gorgeous beaches. Besides sunbathing, swimming, and hiking, outdoor aficionados can fish, kayak, or camp at one of the park's 150 or so campgrounds. Roaming about are herds of majestic wild ponies for you to snap pictures of, with birdwatching and hiking along its trails also being popular pastimes. Number 8. Seacats. Seacats is an iconic spot in Ocean City, and it's one of the highest-grossing bars and nightclubs in the United States. The waterfront bar and restaurant first opened in 1988 as a tiki bar. Today it is a sprawling, 6-acre operation with 20-some bars, multiple stages, a restaurant, a nightclub, a distillery, and a gift shop all on site. Seacats is decked out with palm trees and tropical decor. Its slogan encourages visitors to find us and get lost. The venue is located on the bay, with barstool seating and tables available in the water. The majority of the space is covered by sand, something to keep in mind for shoe choice, with stool seating at several bars, and booths and tables available for those coming for a meal. Popular cocktails here include frozen pina coladas, orange crushes, and margaritas. Beer, wine, shots, mixed drinks, and non-alcoholic drinks are available as well. Number 9. Frontier Town. Regularly listed among the best family-friendly attractions in Maryland, Frontier Town lies just 10-minute drive from downtown on the mainland. At the Old West-style theme park, you can pan for gold, ride ponies, or watch thrilling shootouts and shows. As costumed cowboys and Native Americans prowl the town, it really does feel like you've stepped back in time. Adding to this are the authentic-looking old buildings that house restaurants and gift shops with stockades and paddocks lying nearby. You can also camp overnight, enjoy exhilarating ziplines, or cool off in the water park. With arcades, ice cream stands, and high ropes courses also on offer, it is no wonder so many people flock to Frontier Park in summer. Number 10. Trimper Rides of Ocean City. Trimper's Amusement Park, also known as Trimper Rides of Ocean City, is one of the city's top attractions and shouldn't be missed. Founded in 1980, Trimper's Rides is a family-owned and operated amusement park and one of Ocean City's historical landmarks. A classic amusement park, Trimper Rides of Ocean City promises a load of fun for the whole family. Start with a gentle ride on the vintage carousel, then visit the Bill Tracy Haunted House, a hair-raising adventure. Brave the heart-stopping tidal wave coaster or hop on the Herschel Spillman merry-go-round with the young ones. When you have worked up an appetite on all the rides, grab some grub at one of the concession stands or head to one of the nearby restaurants along the Ocean City Boardwalk. Number 11. Ripley's Believe It or Not. Venture into the weird and wacky world of Ripley's Believe It or Not on your visit to Ocean City for some mind-bending amusement. This world-renowned museum has 3 separate attractions around town: the original Ripley's Believe It or Not, Auditrum, Ripley's Marvelous Mirror Maze, and Ripley's Impossible Laser Race. Founded in 1918, Ripley's has long entertained visitors with their creepy and quirky exhibits. Wander through the Auditrum and see an emaciated human head, 2-headed animal skeletons, the world's rarest egg, and a 12-foot tall transformer made from car parts. Come face to face with yourself in the mind-bending Marvelous Mirror Maze, or find your way out of the labyrinthine maze of LED lights and mirrors at Ripley's Impossible Laser Race. Number 12. Art League of Ocean City. This 2-story gallery features exhibits from local and regional artists. These are updated with more recent work every month. Additionally, every first Friday of each month, each exhibit kicks off with a reception open to the public. Visitors to the Art League of Ocean City can schedule some time in the pottery studio if they wish to get crafty themselves. The artists also offer art classes for anyone wishing to enroll. Other activities include working in one of the 5 working artist studios. People of all ages and all skill levels also have the opportunity to attend various art camp programs, workshops, and community events at the Art League of Ocean City. Number 13. Ocean Gallery. The one-of-a-kind Ocean Gallery is a sight to behold and should not be missed on your Ocean City (MD) itinerary. Constructed entirely from antique building parts and recycled materials from all over the world, the Ocean Gallery is one of the most recognizable attractions on the Ocean City Boardwalk. Established in the 1960s by artist Joe Crort and his wife Adele, the unique Ocean Gallery building took 17 years to complete. Conceptual work in itself, the building has been faithfully reproduced by Crort from a work by artist Paul McJay. The exterior features parts of antique buildings from all over the world and decorative items salvaged from the old colonial hotel after it burned down in 1972. After marveling at the exterior of the building, head into the Ocean Gallery itself. The last word. So, guys, this was the best list of things to do in Ocean City, Maryland. Hope you will like it and appreciate it. People who come to this city are amazed by all of the awesome things there are to do and see. From the moment the sun rises above the Atlantic to the time it dips into the cool waters of the bay and the bright moon lights more than 10 miles of sandy beaches, Ocean City offers the vacation experience of which memories are made. One of the East Coast's top family beach resorts, OC, as the locals call it, makes the most of its waterfront location. Expansive beaches are perfect for sandcastle building, while its famous boardwalk offers culinary treats, shopping, and fun for everyone. So, if you love to travel and you want to see the whole world, then Tripwire is the channel that gives you a list of the best places to visit in the USA. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icons for the latest upcoming travel videos. Bye bye, see you.